This error appears because GCash has officially dropped support for old Android versions, especially Android 4.0 KitKat, Android 4.3, Android 4.2, Android 4.1, and below. GCash now requires Android 6.0 or higher to run properly. But don't worry, here are all working solutions depending on your situation. Fix 1. Update your phone's Android version. If your phone allows a system update, 1. Go to Settings, 2. Tap About Phone, 3. Tap Software Update, 4. Download and install all updates. If you can reach Android 6.0 Plus, GCash will work again. Fix 2. Install a lighter custom ROM for old phones. If your phone no longer gets updates, you can install a custom Android version like Lineage OS, Pixel Experience AOSP Android only. Do this if you know flashing ROM installation. It will upgrade your Android and allow GCash to work. Fix 3. Use GCash on another phone. If your current phone cannot be updated at all, use a newer phone, Android 6 Plus, or borrow a phone to log in, or use a cheap backup phone that supports new GCash versions. GCash cannot run on Android 4.4, or even if you reinstall the app. Fix 4. Use GCash via browser, temporary workaround. Sometimes you can access basic features through http://w.gcash.com/login. Not all features work, but some do. What will not work? These methods do not fix the issue. Reinstalling the app, clearing cache using old APK versions, resetting the phone, because the app itself requires newer Android security standards.